Hi, my name is Nogwazi Dlamini. I'm from the Kingdom of Eswatini. I've just recently completed my degree in Bachelor's degree in Food Science, Nutrition and Technology at Lingo campus. In the science field, I've been exposed in a lot of things, but skills that I've acquired the most and which have been sharpened and I've gained a lot of knowledge in is basically research skills, because in science field you research a lot, you do a lot of research. So I'd say research skills, communication skills, presentation, because you report and you present your findings. So I've acquired those skills and I've sharpened them so well that I've learned more about it, and I would like to help other students out there who are still to go to varsity or still in high school, who are willing to learn more about those skills, because they are very, very much important, especially in tertiary education. And also computer literacy, because computer is basically the most powerful thing ever now, more especially because now we going or moving forward to technology advancements and doing a lot of things online with COVID and everything. In tertiary education or in varsities, you submit a lot of your work in soft copies and you have to be familiar with PowerPoint, Excel, Word. So with those skills, I'm willing to help students in varsity in high school with those skills, because some students do not have that background where they've learned IT, they're just not familiar with it, or even at home they do not have computers. So those are skills which are very much important, that will help you in getting good marks and learning, with your learning being improved and being efficient as well. And also, I would love to engage with high school students, more especially in the rural areas, because there is a gap. Because I'd say rather there is a gap with students in rural areas, whereby you find that they are not familiar with a lot of programs which are available in universities. I myself, even though I'm not from the rural areas, but I was not familiar with a lot of programs which were available at the university. A lot of programs. So I feel like there is a gap of educating students, mentoring them, and doing career guidance, because career guidance are mostly available for students in the urban areas, whereas in rural areas there are no career guidance at all, and they do not know the varsities or universities out there and programs available, such that they have narrow career paths. So for me, I'd really, really love to reach out to rural areas, or high school level, from four, from fives in the rural areas, educate them or expose them to the different programs out there, career path, how to choose your career based on your skills, your talent, your interest, and also your marks, and exposing them to the different paths available, because we have a lot of careers out there. So that is very important. It is a gap in my country. I've seen that. You find that people only are familiar with being a doctor, an accountant, and teacher, whereas we've got a lot of programs out there. So that's one of basically services I'd like to offer. And also mentorship, because when you go to varsity, you're still finding yourself, you're still trying to get a sense of belonging, and you need guidance. You need to be familiar with the environment, and there's some sort of expectations. You have to learn about a lot of things. So for me, I'd love to offer mentoring services, or give guidance or guide students um, going to varsity first years. And also, even if rather you in year 2, year 3, year 4, you're doing your final year, just guidance in everything possible that I can give. Thank you.